Now we will look at the drawing or the 3D sketch to understand the false ceiling. This is two-level false ceiling system in which the structural component.
This video is from Logic Design Lab, School of Design, Art, Architecture, Planning, Consulting and Research.
Now we will look at the drawing or the 3D sketch to understand the false ceiling. This is two-level false ceiling system in which the structural component such as this C channel and the furring channel, this is another structural component, they are tied together and hanged. So this is the hanging system and this is the grid system. This grid system is receiving gypsum sheet through the screw which you can see here. Now look at this whole false ceiling. Furring channels are repeated at certain distance. This distance is 450 mm, and further these C channels are arranged again on certain distance. This distance is around 900, and the size of the sheet or plasterboard or gypsum board comes in 8 feet by 4 feet dimension with the thickness of 12 mm or 12.5 mm. So this is level 2 false ceiling, in which you have the finishing material down below, and then you have framework, and these frameworks are hanged by this hanger. And this hanger can be strap or threaded rod, or it can also use this furring channel or the angle, or it can at times use this C channel. So the whole system comes like this. Furring channels are tied to the C channels through this clip, and the whole system, which is shown here, the framework and the sheathing material, to the hangers. Now these hangers are further connected to the cleat angle, and this cleat angle goes to the soffit of the structural slab. So just we made false ceiling in curvilinear shape in software. So the software skills gives you the design visualization. After the visualization of the design, now you will have to think of the construction, and the construction depends on the kind of sheathing material you want. So the false ceiling could be level 1, in which the grid system or the framework is of just one level. Means the way we see here, furring channels and then the C channels. Look at it here. Look at it here. This is what is not required if it is level 1. In level 2, you need to have 2 levels, the furring channels, then the C channels. Look at it. First comes the furring channels and then the C channels, and these both are making grid, and this grid structure hanged by the hanger. So it could be level 3 also, in which the structural system consists of 3 levels. Level 1, the way it is shown here, the furring channel. Level 2, C channel. Level 3, something else. It depends on the kinds of ceiling or the manufacturer of the ceiling, how they design, how they give the manual to fix it. Now you can relate the design which you are doing in the software with the construction of the ceiling. Both the knowledge of both the items are required to actualize your design.